Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. On Sunday, yes, today is Sunday and I've decided to continue with the extra Sudokus on Saturday. Saturday, the newspaper of yesterday is Saturday, February the 6th, 2021. We have 3 Sudokus left. Sudoku with 2 stars, then tectonic and a binary. So the second Sudoku I will solve will be a Sudoku with 2 stars, number 2289. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 4 is 10, 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 21, plus 5 is equal to 26. Correct, because the previous Sudoku has 27 printed digits. The 3 stars has 25. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be there. Then, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1 for the number 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Okay. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 here, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Okay, so we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 2, 2? Yes, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3. Alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And then we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 6. That means that 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left because those are the 1 and the 6. These 2 are the numbers 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Yeah, 8. Alright. 1, 6, 4. 1, 6, 4, 4. Alright. And now. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 5 is missing. And look, we have a 1 here. So here cannot be a 1. And we have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in this box. So the 1 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Okay. 5. Okay. Let me see. 6, and that's 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 6, and 8. 186, 186, and look, we have an 8 and a 6 here, so no 8 and 6 in this box. The 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes, so 1 digit left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in those two boxes. There, here 6. No 6 in this box. One box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 6 should be here. And then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are in this big square. The 6 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 1 is missing. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 there in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. So the 6 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 4. Then 8. And yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are not used. Yes, 1 and a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 1. Double check. Alright, and all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 5. One number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Same here. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. How about those two numbers in the middle row? The 1 and the 8 are missing. 1 and the 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. No, 7 we have. 5. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 2. 8 and 2. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 5, 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, and I will continue with the binary puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.